Hey, what's up you guys, it's Cesar here, hope that you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube with less than 500 subscribers. But first, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Cesar and I used to have a corporate job and work as an engineer with an MBA specialized in finance. But right now I teach people how to make money online. That being said guys, I'm going to show you my whiteboard because I'm going to write here good information. We're going to put here YouTube, right? And we have here two options. So option number one, you can make money on YouTube using the ad revenue, but this strategy guys is for a YouTube channel that has 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. That means this strategy, it can't be used for a brand new YouTube channel, but we have a second option here. I'm going to draw. Here we have the video. These are the suggested videos. We have here the name of the channel. Down below we have the description, right? And here is the information, and we have links. Now these links are websites, and it can be affiliate offers or landing pages. Bridge pages. So with this second strategy guys, you can make money on YouTube even if you have less than 500 subscribers, because YouTube is a search engine. And people are searching for information about anything. For example, how to make money online, how to repair a car, how to repair a laptop, how to install a program. And here in the description is where you need to put your affiliate links or your landing page so you can make a commission when someone click here. They will go to a landing page or a sales page, and because you are promoting a product or a software, you're going to earn a commission if someone buy through that link. And this is called affiliate marketing. And if you want to know how to do the right setup about this system guys, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video so you can have access to one of my free trainings. Also, you're going to be able to download our ebook about an affiliate marketing guide that you can read for free, so you can get started to know more about this awesome business model, guys. That being said, if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and talk to you soon. Bye.